If you're looking for a vehicle that combines off-road capability, luxury accommodations, and the status of an upper-crust image, something from Land Rover's top-shelf Range Rover lineup should do just fine. But if your budget is slightly less elastic, the 2023 Range Rover Sport is an alternative that's nearly as satisfying. Despite its smaller dimensions, the Sport has a similar silhouette to the more expensive Range Rover, but with an added dose of attitude. A trio of powertrains, including a hybrid inline-6, a plug-in hybrid inline-6, and a mega-power twin-turbo V8, gives you a good variety of choices. The cabin is premium and fitted with desirable tech, including Land Rover's latest Pivi Pro infotainment system and driver assistance features to help with both on- and off-road driving. All this prestige doesn't come cheap, though, and the Range Rover Sport's starting price is higher than other deluxe SUVs such as the BMW X5, Mercedes-Benz GLE Class, and Volvo XC90. But make no mistake, the Sport earns its place in the Range Rover lineup honestly and for several reasons, not the least of which is this: it looks like money. What's new for 2023? Like the larger Range Rover, the midsize Range Rover Sport has received a full redesign that includes fresh styling, a revamped cabin, and cutting-edge tech. An all-electric Range Rover Sport EV will enter the market next year as a 2024 model. We think the more powerful SE Dynamic is the trim to go with. Its extra horsepower will undoubtedly give it a bit of a boost both around town and on the highway, and it offers a litany of luxury and convenience features without requiring a six-figure bill. Engine, transmission, and performance. The entry-level engine is a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-6 that employs a 48-volt hybrid system and makes 355 horsepower in the P360 SE and 395 horsepower in the P400 SE Dynamic. A plug-in hybrid P440e setup is exclusive to the fancy autobiography trim and pairs an electric motor to the inline-6 for a combined 434 horsepower. The juiciest cut can be found in the P530 First Edition, which comes only with a twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 engine that pumps out a robust 523 horsepower. Land Rover estimates the V8 will motivate the Range Rover Sport to 60 miles per hour in just 4.3 seconds. All models come with an 8-speed automatic transmission, standard all-wheel drive, and an adjustable air suspension. The Range Rover Sport can also be had with an optional performance driving setup called Stormer Handling Pack, which adds rear-wheel steering and torque vectoring systems. During our initial test drive, we found the throttle response on our V8-powered test vehicle to be too jumpy and difficult to operate smoothly. Otherwise, we were impressed with the Range Rover Sport's blend of comfort and athleticism and noted that its rear-wheel steering system made maneuvering in tight spaces less challenging than in other similarly sized SUVs. Range, charging, and battery life. The plug-in hybrid model will be the only Range Rover Sport with an all-electric driving range until next year when the EV model goes on sale. The plug-in sports a 31.8 kilowatt-hour battery pack that Land Rover claims is good for a 48-mile electric driving range. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. According to Land Rover, the P360 and P400 models will deliver 20 miles per gallon city and 25 mpg highway, while the V8-powered P530 carries fuel economy estimates of 15 miles per gallon city and 20 mpg highway. When we get a chance, we'll take the Range Rover Sport on our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy test route and report its results here. For more information about the Range Rover Sport's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The interior design has taken a more minimalist approach this time around, with a reduction in the number of buttons and switches and a more streamlined appearance throughout the cabin. Buyers can choose from either textile or genuine leather upholstery and attractive two-tone designs. The dark-tinted chrome accents look particularly premium. Power-adjustable front seats are standard, but a set of chairs with up to 22 ways of adjustability as well as massage, ventilation, and winged headrests is optional. An integrated air purification system is available and is said to reduce odors, bacteria, viruses, and allergens from the cabin. Infotainment and connectivity. The Range Rover Sport's redesigned dashboard offers plenty of digital real estate, with a large 13.1-inch curved touchscreen serving infotainment duties and an even larger 13.7-inch screen parked in front of the driver to display the gauges. Land Rover's Pivi Pro interface is the company's best attempt at in-car infotainment yet, but as we've learned using it in other models such as the Defender and the Discovery, it's not without its quirks. The displays are crisp and clear though, and it looks high-end floating above the Range Rover Sport's upholstered dashboard. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity are standard, and all Range Rover Sports come with Amazon's Alexa. A wireless smartphone charging pad is cleverly integrated on a shelf just beneath the infotainment screen, too. A 29-speaker Meridian stereo system is optional and incorporates speakers in the Range Rover Sport's front and rear headrests.